guys, my name is Judith and you're watching my video, and today I'm here with my twin sister Lydia.
Hello.
So we've been doing some online shopping again, you know, living in a panini. It's like things you do. Yeah, so we did some online shopping at SHEIN again. My last SHEIN haul was actually like almost Black Friday. I think it wasn't Black Friday, so
I think it wasn't Black Friday.
I think it wasn't Black Friday. I think it was like half a year ago. Wow, time goes by. So yeah, we bought some more stuff on SHEIN. I bought some stuff, Lydia bought some stuff, and we're just gonna show it all to you now, so have fun! First thing I want to show you is this heart choker. I think it looks so cute. The only thing, it's almost too big, but only almost, because if I hook it into the like tightest loop, it does fit very well. The next thing I got was this long sleeved black crop top, which I think looks really cute. It gives me a lot of Kim Possible vibes. The only thing, if I lift my arms, it rises up a lot, so it's like very short, but I think it's okay. Then the next thing I got was this belt, which just has a little heart at the front, and I think that is so cute. The belt also came with this weird leather chain thing, which you can hook onto the belt, but in my opinion it just looks weird and I'll just not use it ever. I got another choker, this time with like chains and the heart. I think it looks really good. The only thing, I had to punch a new hole into the leather band to make it like really tight so it actually fits me, but it looks cute.
As you can see, it has legs, so it's actually not a dress. It is a onesie, and it fits really well. The fabric is really soft. The only problem I had with it, and you're gonna see it, is we had to secure it with safety pins because otherwise the cleavage would have been way too big. So yeah, I have to sew that together once I want to. But yeah, otherwise I really love it.
Next thing I got was this black and white crop top. It looks so cute and it's just very comfortable, which is the most important thing for me for these, because I want to wear them when I'm streaming and when it's super hot in the summer, and I think they will do a great job at that. So here's another black and white crop top. This one has some buttons in the front. I think it looks really cool. I like it a lot and it fits really comfortably as well.
So the next item we have is this fairy princess fairy tale dress, I would say. It is actually really comfortable. I didn't think it was that comfortable because of the fabric, but it is. The only problem I have is there's a little star around the neck area that's a little itchy, but otherwise it's really cute and I love it.
Then another black crop top. This one has embroidered little sunflowers on it and I think it's just so cute. It is also very comfortable, and this one actually feels not as cheap as the other ones. So this one feels kind of really good quality in my opinion. So yeah, I'm in love. And then the last crop top I got, it looks kind of weird, but I saw it on the website being this reflecting like holographic thing, and I was like, oh, I need that because it would like match my KDA chair. It's like not that reflective because like right now there's my whole softbox shining onto it and it's just a tiny bit holographic. But I still think it looks really cool and I like it. And it's like comfortable, but the fabric just feels so weird. But I guess that's because of the holographic part.
So the last thing I'm gonna present to you is this really nice and comfy PJ combination with a top and a bottom. My butt fits in there, which is really nice. I was afraid that it wouldn't, but it did. It's actually really warm, so in wintertime you wouldn't have any problems, and in summer you can always combine it with a t-shirt. The fabric is really soft, and I overall really like the PJ.
And then the last thing I got is this romper jumpsuit, whatever you want to call it, with sunflowers on it. It's black, it's got sunflowers. The only thing, it doesn't have pockets, but it is so comfortable. Like, I will be wearing this the whole summer. It is so cute, so comfortable. I am honestly in love. So these were all the clothes that we tried out. I personally loved everything I ordered except for with the belt, like the one detachable chain. I'm never gonna use the chain, but the belt is really cool.
Yeah, with mine, as you can see, as you saw with the onesie, I had some cleavage problems that we had to, like, you know, do with safety pins, but I have to like sew that back together. I mean, not back together, I have to sew it together. But other than that, like, as you can see, PJ, totally comfortable. I'm in love with everything.
So yeah. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did so, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to leave a comment down below what was your favorite part of this video. And I will see you next video with a new video. next video with a new video. I will see you guys next Friday with a new video.
Bye.
Bye. Also, don't forget to check me out on Twitch. I'm live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 p.m. European Standard Time.